Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to my Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream video. I have to hold up the product because I don't remember what the heck I used for a whole month. Well, I don't remember the full title, but you know, it goes that way. So, if you want to know how I felt about the Melanin Twisting Cream, stay tuned. Okay, all right. I know I'm late to the dance on this. I kind of purposely wait till the end to do my review on a very popular product. Why do you think I wait? I think I wait because I kind of just, well, actually, no, I wait because I have like a ton of products sitting over here to my left that I want to review before I get to that. But I actually pushed this product ahead of those because I kind of really wanted to see how this was. Plus, it's a twist out, and I haven't been doing twist outs a lot. I think I haven't done a twist out in about a year. So I said, let me try this. Let me see what it's about. And plus, remember, this is the first twist out since I got my hair cut last summer. So let's get on with it. Let's talk about what I used to get my hair to the state it is in today and how it has been for the past month. So what I washed my hair with is the Garnier Curl products that I used last month. Though the video for that is going to be linked above and below, how I actually felt about that. And you all remember that was a viewer choice from my sister. So I went on and I just stayed with that shampoo and that conditioner because after a while, actually, I ended up liking the conditioner more as I used it. So I was like, well, let me just go ahead with this. It's already in the shower. I use that to shampoo and condition my hair. I deep conditioned with my, my regular, the Shea Moisture low porosity. I believe it's low porosity. I always get this mixed up. I always do, no matter what. As long as I've been using it, I always get it mixed up. I know it's Shea Moisture in the blue, and I'm out of it, and I go pick up some more tomorrow at the Target. So I picked that up. I use that to deep condition a whole month with that. The first week of the month, oh no, I'm sorry. My leave-in conditioner was the Albatross Naturals Lemongrass leave-in conditioner. Y'all know I still use it. Video for that's above. I still use it. After all these years, that is my favorite deep conditioner under a heavy product because it's not that heavy, so it works out. So the first week I did a wash and go because I've been doing wash and goes anyway. So I was like, well, let me go ahead and do a wash and go. What did I use for my wash and go? You guys might ask. I'm gonna pull a oldie. I'm gonna pull an oldie but goodie out. An oldie but goodie. I use the Camille Rose Curl Maker for my wash and go, as you guys can see how much I've used. Okay. Videos above. And then I layered that. Actually, underneath I layered it with the Melanin product. Now, the Melanin product with the wash and go. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna reserve all my stuff to the end. And in the last 3 weeks, I did twist outs with the Melanin product by itself. This is how much product I have left over. Let's see if I can. This is a Thickerson product. This product is uber thick. See if I can kind of turn it that way. But you guys can see right there. It's a nice plastic container. This is 16.1 fluid ounces. I'm not going to run out of this stuff for a while. So, which is really good. And like I said, I use that for the last 3 weeks right now to my hair. Tomorrow is wash day and we will be washing our hair and changing to a new product. But I had to talk to you guys about this first. So, how did I feel about this product, you might ask? Okay. How I felt about the product originally as underneath the Camille Rose for a wash and go. the problems I was having was actually with the Camille Rose product. It wasn't with the Melanin product. I used too much of the Camille Rose. You have to be very careful the amount you use of the Camille Rose. I don't know if I can't remember if I talked about that in the original video, because I used this product years ago. I mean, it's been probably like maybe a year, 2 years. I can't remember, but it's been a long time since I used that product. So I kind of forgot how to use it, but I'm fine now. We all good in the hut. So it ended up, I had a little too much, as you guys are going to see in the pictures over here of how much I used. It was a bit much, but the Melanin product underneath, it kept my hair very soft and very moisturized throughout the whole week. Even with the co-washing, I did co-wash my hair that week with the Jane Carter's Curls to Go co-wash, which y'all know is one of my staples, besides the As I Am Grow Wash, which I actually have that now because I'm out of Jane Carter and I can't find it at Target. So was able to get the As I Am products. So that all ended up working out. When I went back to use it later on in the week and I used less, I still had some residue and some peeling. I mean, some little balls in my hair from the Camille Rose, but my hair still looked nice. I still liked it. The Melanin product worked very well underneath it. Let's go to the twist out portions, which you're going to see pictures over here of my twist outs. Okay, I'm going to confess something. I am not a fan of my twist outs. I know that's really weird for me to say, because I was pro twist out. I think the reason why I am not a gigantic fan of twist outs is because this part right here, and I think I've talked about this in previous videos, my temples I always have the worst time with my temples and a twist out. So my hair will be uber frizzy. Everything else will look great, and then right here my hair will be extra frizzy. So I have these problems of having to figure out what to do with my hair. So thank goodness for a headband and some ingenuity, I'm able to like make my hair to a big twisted fro, and it works out. But like I said, me and twist outs, we kind of, I don't know. Don't know how long I'm going to keep being able to do a twist out. Probably more so I might be able to just go into more flat twists maybe. I don't know. But this product is wonderful. I'm not even going to lie about this product. This product is probably one of my favorite products I've used. If you guys do not know anything about this, if you have been sleeping under a YouTube rock, a rock without YouTube, this is the Melanin product that was created by Whitney, aka Natural85 here on YouTube, and she was probably one of the first YouTubers I started watching, to be honest with you, on natural hair. And funny thing is, I just watched her latest video right before I came in to film. So this product she made herself, and this is probably one of my favorite products. I think also when my hair grows out a little bit more, I'll be able to do better twist outs. And she knocked it out the park. The smell is, you smell a little bit of shea butter, not a lot. It's like a faint shea butter smell. It's a very thick product. On here it says you can use as little or as much as needed. And I was using a lot of product, and it absorbed into my hair without a problem. It's very easy to absorb in the hair. Like I said, even with the wash and go, it worked right into the hair. The curl maker is where the problem was, but I don't hate the curl maker. I don't want you all to think, oh, well, she hates the curl maker. No, I don't. I just didn't use it correctly. That's my fault. But the Melanin product, you still have moisture. And this is like I said, I'm going to redo my hair tomorrow. I'm on day 6. So this is actually my favorite twisting product to date. And I mean, as you all know, I've done a lot of twist outs in my old age, and I do love a good twist out. And this is something I would recommend to anybody. I have heard there were some reviews that didn't go well. To be honest with you, I'm gonna actually be totally honest with you. I didn't watch any reviews of this product before I used it. I kind of don't watch a lot of reviews of products because I review products. Plus, I don't want it to taint my review of the product. So I come in with a fresh review, and it's me on my hair and no one else in what they talk about. That's how I do it. So let's go into the inevitable question of, would you buy it again? Yes, I would. Even though I did not buy this jar of it. This was actually purchased by my sister. It was a surprise for me from her and my sister Lisa, and I thank her. You guys have seen her before and you've heard her voice. So she was really nice to gift this to me, and I thank you again, Lisa, for this. Like I said, this is probably going to be a really good also flat twisting cream. And I've heard of people using this for like a rod set too. So those videos, now I'm gonna watch the videos on those to see how those turned out, because like I say, I watch review videos, but I try not to watch it if I'm going to review it too. So it's just one of those things, you know. And that is it for this video. I know this video kind of drug on. I don't know why. I think it's because I haven't recorded in a long time. To be honest with you, the last week's video was recorded like a few weeks back. So I was just like, oh God, I got to record. So that is all. You guys saw all my social medias on this side, I believe. Or was it this side? It's this side. This side? I don't know. I can't remember. So you guys saw all my social medias at the very beginning. So talk to me over there if you guys have any questions, or if you really want to talk to me below. I do answer. Sometimes it may take me a day or two to answer, but I do answer. You know, I'm on break from class, so y'all might get a video next week. I just don't know what that video is going to be. I have to figure that whole thing out. If you guys have any ideas of what you would like to see for next week's video, talk to me below also, and maybe I can make it happen if I can pull it off in a week. I gotta pull it off in a week. Anyway, let me get out of here because it is 9:06. I have to edit this video. I have to take pictures. Y'all might get this video kind of late. So I don't know. I'm gonna get out of here. So if you have any questions, talk to me below. Talk to me on social media. And that is it. And good night, good morning, good afternoon. Love, peace, hair products, beauty, tech, sneakers, handbags, and all that fun stuff. Bye.